Hey everyone, it's Frankie with MeekSpace.com. Today I'm back with a tutorial on mDomestics. Many of you have downloaded mDomestics from the App Store and you've been playing with the training database. But now you're ready to create your own database for your own congregation. We're going to show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is visit the App Store and download Dropbox. Install Dropbox and set up an account if you don't already have one. So make sure Dropbox is installed on your iPad and ready to go. The next thing you'll do is open up your mDomestics app. You'll go to Account, so on the left, the key. The first thing you're going to need to do is have a cloud replication subscription. So in order to use the synchronization or the replication service, you have to have a subscription. So go into the cloud replication subscription icon. Read the information here that's provided, and once you're done, you'll go ahead and click the buy button, and you'll go through the process of purchasing a year's subscription to the cloud replication service. Now, if you notice here on mine, it shows subscription active through 7/18 of 2020. So I have a subscription. Now, once you have a subscription, we're going to just hit the exit button here. You'll notice what happens to you is it'll tell you you've become the admin for your congregation. In the bottom right, you'll get this allow reconnect without clearing your data. So that's the first step. Once you've done that, the first thing you'll want to do is clear your local database. So that's going to get rid of the training database. So we'll click on clear local database and we'll clear that. Now at this point we don't have a database at all. And so the next thing we'll do is click on the load initial values button. And that's been done. Now if we close out of the account, you'll notice we don't have the training database notification here. We're on a fresh local database. So we haven't uploaded anything to the web yet, to Dropbox. We've just got a basic clean, fresh database. In fact, if we click on publishers, you'll notice we don't have any publishers here. And so from this point on, you'll need to go to the settings page, make sure all of these areas are set up properly. What I mean by that is, for example, if you go into congregation information, make sure your congregation information is set, and make sure under your hall configuration that matches your particular kingdom hall. And once you've done that and gone into each of these others and just verified your settings match what your congregation is, then you can go ahead and begin setting up your congregation. So probably the first thing you'll do is go into publishers and start adding publishers. Essentially, you just basically get started. You'll click on a publisher blank space here, and you'll fill in the information. We'll go ahead and do that. We'll just do a name. And we'll click on this icon next to family salutation, and it'll fill that information in for us. We're not going to put an address or anything right now. And we'll go ahead and hit done, and we'll hit save. Notice on the right now I have a 1, and if I hit that folder, it should show my new publisher. And so from here, you'll just want to add all your publishers in your congregation, get everything set up, and I'll have another tutorial that'll go into each and every section that you need to set up and how you go about it. But this is going to get you started in creating your own local database for your congregation. And we'll have another video that will show you how to get it up on Dropbox and share it with other users of the system in your congregation at a later date. So thanks for watching this tutorial.